Welcome to my channel Montuned, everyone. In my last video I had shown the procedure to remove the service indicator, the spanner sign, and while trying to do that, accidentally I had changed my temperature indicator on the screen from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do that, how to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, guys. So please pay close attention, guys. This is the button that we'll be using and the key. What we need to do is we need to turn on the key, and as soon as this goes back, we need to press this, switch it off, switch it on immediately. Do not release this while we are doing that, and in another 10 seconds time it should change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So here it is, guys. See, it's changed from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that's how you can do that. Again, I'll repeat the procedure. You need to switch on the key, and as soon as this meter comes back to 0, hold this, switch off the key, and immediately switch it on while you've kept this button pressed. And that's how and once the indicator comes back on, in another 10 seconds the temperature indicator will change from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, guys. That's the procedure. Thanks for watching, guys.